I'm Andrew Hurrell. I'm the Principal Research Physicist and one of the directors here at Precision Acoustics. We make a whole range of ultrasonic test tools with the hydrophones, transducers, acoustic materials, scanning tanks, pretty much everything you'd need for ultrasonic measurement. We tend to have customers in three distinct areas. We've got some customers which are in academia. We've got a bunch of our customers, about a third again, who are involved with medical industry. And then we've also got about a third of our customers that are in non-medical industry. We had a product which was using a balance system, which we had found had gone obsolete. We were looking for a replacement. I had the joy of being on one of the global innovator programs that was organised by Innovate UK and one of the other participants, and that was James Hobbs, one of the members of the AWM team. So having plenty of opportunities when we were snowbound in Halifax gave us the opportunity to work out that there could be some synergy between AWM's business and Precision Acoustics. James came down and brought along one of the representatives from Ohaus. One of the things that we found working is that there's a nice, relaxed and casual but professional relationship. I think it's been a really good interaction. It's been really easy. When there were technical problems, they've been resolved in a timely fashion. Force balance works on the principle that if ultrasound illuminates or shines on a target, there's going to be a force exerted on that target. That way, balance is pretty much just a force measuring device. Normally it's measuring the force on a mass due to acceleration due to gravity. So we are just using the very accurate force measurement capabilities that a balance offers. So we're going backwards and saying, rather than looking at a mass readout, what we're interested in is the apparent force readout. And from force, we can go directly back to ultrasonic power and create a turnkey service. The balance comes out the box and we can start to install it in the rest of the apparatus that we need.